Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of AI careers and the impressive salaries they offer. Let's dive in and explore some of these high-paying roles. 1. AI Solutions Architect, up to $230,000. An AI Solutions Architect designs and implements AI solutions for various applications. They work closely with clients to understand their needs and develop AI systems that meet those requirements. 2. AI Marketing Specialist, up to $180,000. An AI marketing specialist uses AI technology to enhance marketing strategies and campaigns. 3. AI Data Engineer, up to $180,000. An AI data engineer is responsible for developing and maintaining AI data pipelines. They ensure that data is collected, stored, and processed efficiently to support AI applications. 4. AI Cybersecurity Analyst, up to $127,000. An AI cybersecurity analyst uses AI technology to detect and prevent cyber threats. 5. AI Education Specialist, up to $108,000. An AI education specialist develops AI-powered educational tools and programs. The world of AI careers offers a wide range of high-paying opportunities for those with the right skills and expertise. If you're intrigued by the world of AI and data science, why not take your interest to the next level? Our Data Science with AI course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in this dynamic field. Enroll now and don't forget to check the link in the description box below for more details and to sign up for the course. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.